Hi everyone, my name is Hugh and I'm from FM Group. And this is our group. And there are four members in our group: Qifeng Yao and Meng-Xuan Wu, Li He, and Wan Jingli. And before we start the presentation, I want to ask a question for you guys. How many of you are going to Professor Office Hour inventive? And I will tell you guys a story about my friend. My friend, he was afraid to talk with the professor. So once he found a mistake in his middle exam, and he never go to the professor office hour, so he got a lower score and lower he got lower score and he failed in this exam course. So today we are going to talk about how to communicate with professor and how to get information you want in professor's office hour. Let's welcome Qifeng Yao.
Um, since our group is trying to help students to communicate with instructors better. This issue usually happens to the international students because of the language barrier and the cultural difference exist. International students are least likely to communicate with instructor, even they have some confusion with about this class. And our group is trying to build a connection between international students and professor. We will analyze what kind of barrier do they have and what can we do to solve these questions. For instance, our group will give some available method for international students to improve the communication skill. To improve the communication skill. Also, we provide some knowledge about the other cultures. Therefore, they could realize the different thoughts pattern. Moreover, we will guide them the source they can use in OSU. And Meng-Hsuan will explain something more for you.
In the OSU, there are two organizations that can help you to solve this problem. There are the Academic Statistics Center and Asian and Pacific Center. Academic Statistics Center can provide coaching to help to communicate with you and help you to solve the problem. There are more than 10 coaches from a part of the academic coaching, and most of them are graduate and they have experience to help students to solve a problem. The next is the Asian and Pacific Statistics Center. They can provide students the subcultures from the different countries, and it can help students to overcome the culture shock. Besides the OSU source, our group think out the different solutions to solve this problem. So next, our group will discuss our solution.
There are three ways to help students to enhance communication with instructors. First one is worksheet, because some of students cannot identify their problems, and they also do not know how to make an appointment with instructor. So in this worksheet, we will give their information about the steps to make an appointment with instructors. And second one is we will make a video for students to take notes effectively, because some students, when they talk to professors, they do not have an organized notes. So after they talking with professor, they cannot make clear about their notes. So in their video, we will give them the example and symbol to let them have an effective note-taking skill. The final one is we will provide a brochure for students who do not have enough English ability. And some of them are afraid of talking to his professor. So in this brochure, we will give the information about different clubs to encourage students to talk to different people.
In conclusion, we just talk about our team's requirement that international students are not very willing to talk about their instructors. And also we come up with 3 ideas that we will create a worksheet that what internationals should do before they meet with their instructor, and we will also create a video that can help international students to take notes effectively when they are talking with their instructors. And also we will create some club brochure that can help international know the different clubs in our campus, and in this way they can speak to the native speakers and improve their English ability. So we hope after this presentation and the international students can talk to their instructor initiative, because this is a key that we can become successful in our college, and also it can help improve our grades. Thank you.